Welcome. In front of me I have the GoPro 12 Black, and today I'll go over unboxing of this new action cam. So anyway, I actually grabbed the knife for no reason. We do have this little tab to pull. There we go. That's unfortunate first message that I get. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. That's not really something that I like to see, to be honest. We get a charging cable. We get a couple of these clips right here for mounting it to different surfaces. We also get the actual, that's the battery. We get this, which is just a clip for this. I'm trying to clip it the correct direction. Let's get rid of this, and there we go. So that's basically how you mount it. We also get a screw to put it in here, and then we get our camera. There we go. You kidding me? Oh, that won't work. Okay, well, I give up. Hopefully this one will go better. And there we go. Get our battery. And well, technically I'll turn it on, but we need to update it first, which I am not gonna go through. But you can still see that it does turn on. No, it's just a setup. In any case, I did kind of see it go. So that's the camera. Let's see if we have any kind of word mentioning info on the box, and I think we actually do. So let's just kind of quickly get a look at that. So we have a 27 megapixel photo. We can record at 5.3K resolution at 60 frames. That is pretty wild. 4K is at 120. And that's pretty good. Waterproofing, 33 feet deep, basically 30 or 10 meters. Voice control, so you can control it obviously by speaking to it. We got 8 times slow motion, again, pretty nice. Then we got hyper view. Not exactly sure what that is, but based on the image, I can just presume that it's just kind of like a super wide field of view. Then we get a time warp. If I'm correct, this is one of those like things where it just takes a photo every like couple minutes and creates video out of that, making it seem like it's just passing really quickly, but I could be wrong. I haven't tested it out yet, obviously. As you can see, it's not even set up, so yeah. 1080p live streaming, that's pretty nice, especially if it's really easy to use and set up. Super photo raw or super raw photos, cool. So you get a raw version of photos, good for editing, contains way more detail, and also the size is significantly bigger, so that's something to keep in mind. Then we're gonna HDR photo and video, 10-bit color gamut, and mod ready. Now mod ready is just I assume referring to the fact that it can have different accessories added to this, and it will work. So yeah, there we go. That's basically it. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.